Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. Today we are making bacon wrapped little smokies, pork on pork appetizers. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. Go ahead and gather all your ingredients and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. I've got a baking sheet covered with aluminum foil. We are going to take the thin cut bacon. It's not the thick cut, just the regular bacon. And I tried wrapping them up individually to see how much I was going to need. It is about a third of a slice of bacon, and we are going to wrap the little smoky with the bacon and then put a toothpick on it to hold it in place. And you're just going to continue to do this for all of your little smokies, however many you wanted to make. I made these for breakfast and served them with maple syrup, but you could certainly just serve them with honey or barbecue, depending on whatever time of day that you're serving them. So again, I've got the bacon, and I've got bacon that's got a good amount of meat on it versus a whole bunch of fat, because it's going to render down and you don't want to just render it down into nothing. So go ahead and cut your bacon, and I'm cutting it into thirds because it'll go a little bit faster for you as well. And take your slice of bacon and your little smoky and wrap them. And I'm going to show you too another way you can do these. You can do them with a little bit of brown sugar, and they are so delicious. So we're going to continue to wrap them and get these in the baking sheet, and they will look like this. Now, I also wanted to make bacon the day I was making these, and so we did that. And halfway through, because they cook for about 30-40 minutes, I flipped them over because I want all the sides to get crispy and delicious. And the bacon was already done, and they will look like this. And see, you can serve them with syrup, barbecue, whatever your family likes. And then with brown sugar, this is what you do. Cut the bacon up, just like I talked about. I cut it in 4 pieces this time, and I tried it a couple ways. I tried spreading the brown sugar onto the bacon and then rolling them up, and I found that, that worked. And I will sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on top of them, and I'll still secure them with a toothpick, just like before, all pretty. And it's easier if you actually take the piece of bacon, take a little bit of brown sugar, and put it onto the brown sugar onto the bacon. It's much easier like this. And I have a little bowl of brown sugar, so we're not contaminating all of our brown sugar. I used about a cup here, and we're going to end up using 2 cups for these. So this was about a half a bag of little smokies. And just continue to do that. A little bit of sugar. These were amazing. They're a sticky version of the little smokies, but these ones were my favorite way to do them. So we're just going to continue to do that for all of the little smokies, and they will look like this. And you can sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on top. It's going to get all over. That's okay. We're going to cook them still at 400 degrees for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and flip them over halfway through, and they will just be delicious. Doesn't that look amazing? I took the bag, the leftovers that my son didn't eat, and I ate them myself. No shame. Thanks for watching. Let me know, which way do you prefer to make your little smokies? Have a fabulous day.